If you talk to the yogis, they will say, Bahyaman, Antarman. Conscious mind, subconscious mind, then another layer of mind, that is superconscious mind. That the third stage is the superconscious mind. And the fourth stage, they do not use the mind, but then they say the cosmic conscious, and then is the Shiva conscious. Shiva consciousness, the cosmic consciousness. Similarly, you have the body chakra, the energy centers which exist in your body. If anybody's consciousness is present only in Muladhara, that means it is not Kundalini, is not awakened. So that person is more inclined towards individual consciousness, the I consciousness. Now he will say, I am conscious, but I don't think he is conscious. It is I consciousness is very much there. And this kind of person whose consciousness is stuck in Muladhara, it is very difficult for him to go into the state of dhyana. It is impossible. If such person, if you ask him to close the eyes and go into dhyana, he will open his eyes and he will see. If you observe here also, you will find during lunchtime, many people they are meditating, and many people they are outwardly looking. How I can demonstrate how I am. You understand? So, they are the poor people, those who are consciousness has not risen from Muladhara. So, they are trying to show, who am I? Who am I? The body consciousness. They are not able to go inside. So, they are expanding outside. And as the consciousness rises, because you have 5 elements, the Prithvi Tattva, and anyone who is more clinging on to the gross element, that I consciousness, the body consciousness, will be very predominant. And to demonstrate, to show who you are, that will be, the desire will be much stronger, much more. And as it rises, the consciousness, the Kundalini, then these elements, they become subtle, subtle and subtler. And once it reaches to the Akash Tattva, I said you start experiencing the bliss, because that is very subtle consciousness. Now, I mentioned another thing, go in dhyana. Go in dhyana. What is the meaning of dhyana? Being aware. Dhyana means being aware. Being aware of what? Outside? Or being aware of the self? Being aware of the self. And your journey to the upward spirituality, it will begin when you will become more aware of the self. And your desire to become more aware of the self, it will expand. Because you can try doing the dhyana, you look outside and you will feel restless. You won't get happiness. And when you are aware of yourself, you start becoming calm and peaceful, calm and peaceful.